Hello, my name is Ike Bean. I'm with Outlander Mitsubishi in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. And today we're going to take a look at some of the features that you're going to get on the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Let's take a look.
So another really cool feature that I like is the AC power outlet that you're going to get in the hatch of the vehicle. Now to turn that on, you simply press the button, and when the green light comes on, you are all ready to go.
So the power outlet in the PHEV is going to be in the back. It's going to be on the right hand side there. It's going to produce 1500 watts, more than enough power to power a microwave. It's really great to have when you're tailgating or if you're camping. So that was just a quick look at the 2020 Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV. Now to get more information about this vehicle or any one of our vehicles in the Mitsubishi lineup, come and see me, Ike Bean, at Outlander Mitsubishi at our new location on the east side of Sioux Falls, or check out our website at outlander.com.